Ira to the Johan Speaking Academy, and I find that it's very beneficial for my daughter.
Johan Speaking Academy is the best in the Malaysia or probably in the world.
This is an interesting event. It builds up the confidence of children to speak in the public. It also helps them to increase their brain memory. They try to memorize a certain passage and then they do a presentation of the true facts about Zoo Negara.
Today's a wonderful day. Thank you Zoo Negara and Kiddos Speaking for this chance.
Hi, my name is Alice. I have 8-year-old son. So he has been with Johan for 2 years. It's very good exposure to him, and he has changed a lot, drastic change. Not only change from the way how he speaks, but the way how he acts and manners. I strongly encourage parents to explore and come join Speaking Academy.
I'm very happy that I got this chance to go to Zoo Negara and present. I feel very happy after doing this.
For the kids, there's a gap. That means all the adults we have Toastmasters, but for the kids we don't have any practices that they can do, any clubs that they can take part in. So this gap is addressed by Johan Speaking Academy.
Camels can drink 100 liters of water in 10 minutes. Amazing, right?
So I will definitely recommend my friends or maybe my family members to join Johan Public Speaking, because I saw the big changes and a big difference after my daughter joined the public speakings. So please come and join Johan Public Speaking if you want to build the confidence for your children.
I think that this program is very good. Not only that, they have the opportunity to actually learn how to be brave to speak in front of people, but they also learn how to memorize and how to be good to everybody and pay respect to their teachers as well. I would suggest that most parents, please do send your kids to these public speaking classes.